Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, October the 22nd. Well, a green-bodied candle today, and that's a bullish sign for this market. It means that the buyers have made some solid net bullish progress on the day, and a fairly large body compared to quite a few of the recent bodies over the last few weeks. Now, the market tried to trade down through the 1080 level, which we highlighted as an area of support for this market, and it was a previous resistance level, as we can see here, that the market found resistance there, and now this area is turning into support for the market. And the market tried to trade down through there, failed to close down below, and traded up from above there to close at 1092. So that area is fairly strong for this market. The trend in the market is down. We have a candle with a lower high and a lower low. So we have had some retracement back towards the Kijun-sen here. And we know that when that Kijun-sen turns flat, that the market tends to be attracted back towards it. And that's exactly what's happened over the last few days. The market is trying to move back to that, attempting to retrace part of this first time frame upswing that the market was in and second time frame upswing that the market was in. Whether this is the end of this downswing in the first time frame remains to be seen, because we need confirmation of an uptrend in the first time frame, which means that we need a candle with a higher high and a higher low. So we still have a candle with a lower high and a lower low, so we are still in a first time frame downtrend. But the short-term dynamics are telling us that that may not happen, because the market is bullish in the short-term time frame. We actually have the market closing well up above the previous close, which means the buyers are keen, and the market has closed towards the high of the current candle, which means that the buyers were in control when the market closed, and they're showing some commitment. So the probability is against the market continuing down in the first time frame. The only thing is, though, as I've said, we do need confirmation of that. So we need a candle with a higher high and a higher low. Now, one factor that might affect that, any appreciation of the price, is this resistance area at around 1106, and it was a previous area of support from some time ago. And we can see from the previous 3 or 4 candles that the market was attempting to trade up within that area, and there was downside price rejection. So for us to trade up through there, we do need a substantial close above 1106 for the market to trade up to 1133, which was another previous support level, which may turn into resistance for this market. On the way down, we have obviously the 1080 level is important for the market. We have a small swing low here at 1066, and then the Kijun-sen at 1060 is a strong area of support for the market. Previous resistance here at 1041, and then at the 1018, which will coincide with roughly around this area of the cloud or the Kumo. And the first area that the cloud or the Kumo will probably interact with price action if it does retrace is around this 1040 level again. Just looking at the Ichimoku indicators, we are trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, which means that the market still has a positive bias in a longer time frame. We are trading up above the Kijun-sen, which is the pink line, which means in a medium time frame the market is positive. We are now again trading up above with the close above the Tenkan-sen, which is the shorter term time frame. So everything is looking quite bullish for this market. I would expect that the market will have a higher high and a higher low tomorrow in an attempt to trade up above this 1106 level. We don't want to preempt the market, but to be honest, for the market to continue in the second time frame uptrend, we would like to see a strongly bullish close up above the 1106 level within the next few days.